An unexpected event can shake your world. Suddenly you need money, and you need it now. The feeling can be overwhelming, but it is a problem you can solve with clear, calm thinking. This guide will walk you through practical steps to turn that feeling of urgency into a workable plan. First, let's look at what you already have. Before looking outward for help, look inward at your own resources. Check your savings and checking accounts. Check your wallet. Even a small amount can be a huge help. This money is your cheapest and fastest option. No applications, no interest rates, no one to repay but yourself. Understand exactly how much you need and how much you have on hand. You might discover you can cover the entire cost, or at least a portion of it. This simple act provides clarity and moves you from a state of panic to a state of action. If you have an emergency fund, now is the time to use it without guilt. That is what it was created for. Using your own saved money prevents you from taking on debt. If you still need funds, consider reaching out to family or trusted friends. This can be a difficult conversation, but the people who care about you may be willing to help. Be direct and honest. Frame it as a loan, not a gift, and create a simple written repayment schedule. This protects your relationship by setting clear expectations. Another option is to sell items you no longer need. Look around your home for things of value that are collecting dust. Old electronics, designer handbags, or musical instruments can sell quickly online. If you are employed, your job might offer a solution. Many companies have programs to help employees in a tight spot, like a paycheck advance. This isn't a loan from an outside company. It's an advance on wages you've already earned. The company will often deduct the amount from your next paycheck or two. If other options aren't enough, you can consider a small personal loan. Your first stop should be a credit union or your local bank. They typically offer the most reasonable interest rates and fees. Be very cautious with high-cost payday or title loans. Their high fees and interest rates can trap you in a cycle of debt. When you're in a hurry for money, it's easy to overlook risks, but your safety must be a top priority. If you sell items to strangers, always meet in a safe public place, like a police department's designated exchange zone. For payment, accept cash or use a secure payment app. Avoid personal checks. Protecting your information is also crucial. Scammers prey on people in vulnerable situations. Be wary of unsolicited offers for loans or grants. Never give out your social security number, bank details, or passwords in response to an unexpected request. If an offer seems too good to be true, it is almost certainly a scam. When borrowing money, you must read and understand every term before you sign. What is the exact interest rate? Are there hidden fees? What is the total amount you will pay back? Don't let anyone rush you. A reputable lender will encourage you to be fully informed. Finally, compare your options. Look at the annual percentage rate, or APR, which includes both interest and fees. Taking an extra hour to research can save you hundreds of dollars and protect your long-term financial health. Final step is to begin building your buffer, a simple plan for a stronger future. You navigated the emergency, you found the money you needed, the immediate crisis is fading. Now is the perfect moment to take a positive step forward. Build a buffer between you and the next unexpected event. Start a dedicated emergency fund. Start small. Save $100 first, then aim for $500. Set up automatic transfers each payday. Move money from checking to a separate savings account. Even $10 per week will add up. Even $20 per week will add up. To find extra money, track your spending for a month. Track where every dollar goes. Use a simple notebook or a budgeting app. This is not about judging. It's about gathering information. At month end, review your spending. You'll likely find small leaks. It could be a daily coffee, or streaming subscriptions, or impulse buys online. Choose 1 or 2 small expenses to cut. Redirect that money into your emergency fund. Each deposit builds confidence. You're proving you can handle your finances. The long-term goal, 3 months of essentials. The long-term goal, 6 months of essentials. Essentials include rent, mortgage, utilities, food, transportation. It sounds like a lot, and it is. But this is a marathon, not a sprint. Every dollar saved is progress. One more dollar between you and another emergency. Celebrate milestones. $1,000 is a big win. Recognize it. Financial health is a journey. Emergencies won't have to be devastating. Calm, measured steps during crisis plus a simple savings plan after action control. You're creating a future of preparedness and resilience. You can build better money habits for you and your family. If this guide was helpful, please share it with others who might benefit. Like and subscribe for more practical tips to help you on your financial journey. You can do this.